Hi guys, I'm Kanika and welcome back to Crochet tutorial for beginner series. Today is the episode 5 and we are going to learn how to make a half double crochet. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing it and also press the bell icon for further notifications on the new episodes. Now, today is the 5th episode as I told you, and if you are here for the first time, you can also go check out the playlist which goes by the same name, Crochet tutorial for beginners, for all the previous episodes. I will also link the playlist in the description box below. So now let's quickly get started. So let's get started with the half double crochet. I'm using a category 4 yarn here again, and I have a chain of 10 with me. Also, I'm using a 4.5 millimeter hook. To begin the half double crochet, we start with the yarn over, insert into the first V and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 of them together. This is your half double crochet. Let's see it again. Yarn over, insert, pull through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 of them together. Let's complete the chain. The main difference between a half double crochet and a double crochet is that in half double crochet, we pull through all 3 loops on the hook together. Whereas in double crochet, we go 2 loops at a time. So that's the basic difference, and because of this, the length of half double crochet is slightly smaller than that of the double crochet. It is, the length of half double crochet is definitely more than that of a single crochet, but less than that of double. And we are almost done. Yes. This is how the half double crochet looks like, and there are also V's forming up for your next row. So this was the last episode of the beginner series. From the next video, I'm going to tell about a few basics on how you can start that new bigger project. So next video will be based on how to make the ribbing of a new project, like the cuffs or the borders on how to start the sweaters. We'll see that in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye.